Welcome, in front of me is ACER Swift Go, and in this video I will show you how to change wallpaper on this laptop. To do it, right click any empty space of your desktop, then select Personalize, then select Background, expand this list, and you will be able to choose one of the four options for your Windows background. The first one is picture, and here you can select one of the default images from Microsoft or one of your recent images. You can also select browse photos and choose your own photo by selecting it and clicking choose picture, or just double clicking the photo. And you can also expand this list and choose a fit for your desktop image. The second option is solid color, which allows you to use just one color as your Windows background. You can select one of the default colors, or select default select view colors and choose a custom one. The next option is a slideshow, and slideshow lets you put multiple photos on your background that will change every once in a while. To do that, you have to click browse, then select a folder with photos, click choose this folder, and photos from this folder will change every once in a while. You can change the frequency by expanding this list and selecting the value that you need. You can shuffle the picture order in the folder by switching this toggle to the right, and you can also let the slideshow run even if laptop runs on battery power by switching this toggle. You can also change fit for your desktop images by expanding this list and selecting one of these values. And the last option is Windows Spotlight, and this is just a single image that changes every once in a while. It is presented to you by Microsoft, and you can learn more about this picture by clicking this icon right here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.